Rest of the metro, people are using this brief break in the snow to plow streets, driveways, and to have a little fun. But this break is likely not to last long, as you just heard from Dave. 5 Eyewitness News reporter Nick Winkler is live south of Rogers with the storm's impact outside the metro. Nick?
Well, Chris, no snow falling right now, but as I turn around and look at the flag right here in front of the Catholic Church in Fletcher, we've got a little bit of a breeze out of the northwest, but everyone here in Fletcher knows that more of this could be on the way. It's why snowmobilers are excited and drivers are concerned.
As the storm blankets farm fields northwest of the metro, plows of all sizes are hard at work, including Mary Moen on her tractor as a large city plow heads her way.
Well, I saw him coming and I thought, I'm going to get the heck out of there.
We'll see how Mary's encounter with the plow turns out in just a moment, but first, I-94 in Rogers was nearly snow-free this afternoon. Traffic moved along at 50 miles an hour on mostly wet pavement, but on the side roads, it's a different story.
A lot of ruts that can suck you into the ditch like that.
Just ahead of Dwayne Koschel, the driver of this vehicle wound up in a farmer's field. Not even four-wheel drive is going to get you through these ruts and get you out of trouble like this driver just got into. Near Rogers, Jason Wolf was using a break in the snow to catch up.
Well, my prediction is I want to get rid of all this before an inch of rain falls and freezes it all up overnight.
Not everyone was hard at work, though.
You gotta get out and enjoy the snow while we've got it.
The walkers are cutting through fields. Drivers are trying to stay out of.
I'm hoping there's more snow. Hopefully school will be canceled tomorrow.
Now, let's get back to Mary on her tractor. A city plow pushed much of the snow she had just plowed right back onto her drive. No hard feelings, though. She knows there's more of this on the way.
I think the worst is yet to come, but if it's more snow and less rain, then it's easier to push around.
And that's why so many are working so hard. You see, there is a layer of ice or sleet underneath this snow. If this snow is not pushed away and we get more ice or more rain that freezes, we are going to have an extremely bumpy ride going to work tomorrow morning. We're live in Fletcher. Nick Winkler, 5 Eyewitness News.
Snow has some Minnesotans hard at work trying to keep you safe. Others are taking advantage of the snowfall in a fun way. Tim Cherno's live in St. Louis Park with that part of our team coverage tonight. Tim?
Well, you know, Chris, if you can get off the side streets here on the main roads, you can see behind me, you know, they look pretty good. Even so, a lot of folks chose to stay off the roads today. It's been very quiet here in St. Louis Park. Maybe some of them went to the sledding hill, though. To be fair, though, we have seen things pick up here in about the last hour or so. First off, the fun stuff.
It's awesome. I mean, the kids are sledding. It's perfect.
Good snow on a great hill in St. Louis Park.
I'm nervous that one of them's going to get hurt or I'm going to get hurt.
I already got hurt.
Yeah.
Screams and plenty of them to go along with the ride. Not much different than driving today. Just about as many crashes to report here as on local highways.
Because you go down the hill and speedy fast.
Local population figures spike on days like this, or at least they would if the census counted snowmen.
She built the bottom half and the top right here, and I put this part on and she put the head on.
We found Paul Miller clearing his sidewalks. A quiet afternoon, a fresh blanket of snow. We asked him if he minds doing this. He was honest.
Yeah, I'm a warm weather guy. Everybody asks me why I live here. I don't have a good answer.
As for your drive, we checked county roads here in St. Louis Park. This is Excelsior Boulevard, and it looks more like a rainy day. We checked city roads, too. This is Louisiana, and it, too, was in good shape. We were told plows would not get to side streets until about midnight. But driving around, we now know they're getting an early start, so kids can go to school. We don't know if school has been canceled or not, but don't tell these kids. Are you so hoping that you have school tomorrow?
No.
And no recess or lunch?
I wouldn't really like that.
I felt bad about pulling that prank on those kids, but I think I told them the truth. At least I think I did. Anyway, not a snow emergency here in St. Louis Park until there's 3 inches of snow on the ground. At that point, no parking on the street. Live in St. Louis Park, Tim Cherno, 5 Eyewitness News.